So welcome back. In this video we'll see the salient features of subphylum Cephalochordata and their examples. Cephalo means what? Head, and chord means what? Chord. Simply chord. So what is the meaning of cephalachord? So you can see the blue color here. So this is the notochord. So it extends from the tail to the head region. So because it extends from the head to the tail to the head region, it is called cephalochordata. The meaning of cephalochordata is that the notochord, which is seen in blue color, this color, is extend from the tail to the head region, hence called as cephalochordata. So what does this look like? It look like a marine fish. Look like a fish, but it's not a fish. So there are two genera. One is called the branchiostoma and asymmetron. So under Cephalochordata there are two genera. One is called branchiostoma and asymmetron. So they are commonly called what? Lancelet. Lancelet എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മൾ പ്രാക്ടിക്കലിനൊക്കെ രക്തമൊക്കെ എടുക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് കയ്യിൽ കുത്തുന്ന ഒരു സാധനം, പ്രിക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി സാധനം, ലാൻസ്ലെറ്റ്. Symmetry എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ symmetrical, maybe they have a symmetry or asymmetrical body without head. There is no head region, cranium and paired limbs. So these three things are absent: head, cranium and paired limbs are absent. Soft and naked body surface, there is no covering. Urochordate കേസിൽ നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു the body is covered by a tough polysaccharide called tunicin. So here there is no such covering. It's so soft and naked. So myotome or myomeres are present. You can see so many segments are here. The muscles are arranged in segments here, this one. So this is called myotome or myomere. The mouth is encircled with a fringe of tentacular cirri or called oral cirri or buccal cirri. You can see here comes the mouth. So this is called the buccal cirri, this one. Meesha poലുള്ള സാധനം, buccal cirri or called what? Tentacular cirri or oral cirri means oral cirri എന്ന് പറയും. A persistent notochord extends throughout the length of the body beyond the nerve cord. I already പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞു. This is the nerve cord. This is the nerve cord. And തൊട്ട് മുകളിലാണ്, this is called a notochord. So it extends, the nerve cord extend from the head to the tail to the head region, same as that of notochord. The secondary cavity called atrium or peribranchial cavity covers the pharynx. ഏതുപോലെ യൂറോകോഡേറ്റിൽ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ the pharynx is covered externally by a cavity called atrium or peri. Peri means what? Surface around the pharynx. Peribranchial cavity covers the pharynx. It opens out by an atriopore. So here the atriopore is there. So this is the peribranchial cavity and it opens with the atriopore. Alimentary canal is straight and simple without a specialized digestive glands. It's simple one. So this is a mouth, then there is a pharynx, then you can see the cecum here. Not much detail is required here. Then ends in an anus. So it's a simple digestive system. Pharynx is exceptionally enlarged with numerous gill slits. So this is, you can see the gill slits here in this picture. This one, you can see a numerous gill slits are there, and is specialized for as a feeding apparatus. So ഇതിലൂടെ വാട്ടർ എൻ്റർ ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഈ ഫാരിങ്സിലൂടെ കടന്നു പോകുന്ന സമയത്ത് വാട്ടർ മെല്ലെ ഗിൽ സ്ലിറ്റ്സിലൂടെ പുറത്തേക്ക് പോകും. ദ വാട്ടർ മൂവ്സ് ഔട്ട് ഓഫ് ദി ഗിൽ സ്ലിറ്റ്സ്. അപ്പോൾ അതിലെന്ത് ചെയ്യും? അതിലൂടെ കടന്നു പോകുന്ന സമയത്ത് ഈ വെള്ളത്തിൻ്റെ കൂടെ വന്ന ലോട്ട് ഓഫ് മൈക്രോ ഓർഗാനിസം ദാറ്റ് വിൽ ബി ട്രാപ്ഡ് ഇൻ ദ ഫാരിങ്സ്. സോ ദാറ്റ് കൻ ബി ടേക്കൺ ആസ് എ ഫുഡ്. നമ്മൾ വലയൊക്കെ വിരിച്ചിട്ട് മീനെ പിടിക്കുന്ന പോലെ. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിലൂടെ വെള്ളം കയറുന്ന സമയത്ത് along with that a lot of microorganisms will also enters into the pharynx When the water goes out, these microorganisms will be trapped in the pharynx. So this is called what? It's feeding apparatus. Filter feeding, simply called what? Filter feeding. So this type of feeding technique is called what? Filter feeding. Gills is open externally to the atrium. It's already set. Circulatory system without a distinct heart. There is no specialized heart. Excretory organ are paired in nephridia with a specialized excretory cells called solenocytes. Just like the annelida, you have seen the excretory organ is nephridia. Here it is what? Nephridia, but very slightly different in structure with a cells called solenocytes. So you can see the solenocytes here. So this is attached along with the gills. So these are the gills. These lines are the gills, gill bar. So this is what the vertical limb of nephridium. This is the nephridium, opening of the nephridium. These are the solenocytes. Just remember this one is the excretory organs are nephridia with a specialized cells called solenocytes. That's it. Nothing more. Central nervous system is dorsal without brain and specialized sense organ. There is no brain and specialized sense organs. Sexes are separate. Gonads are numerous. You can see the gonads here. Numerous gonads are here and segmentally arranged. It appears in segments. So that's the general features about cephalochordata.